What a glorious, fresh, cold, sunny afternoon. And in the background there is Stan. Let's just flip the camera round and have a look. Stan is in the FENDT 936 Vario and he's got the Simba X-Press on the back. And what he's doing is he's just working in the casts from the dyke. So they've been clearing out the dykes with the digger. And then this bit here is stewardship. So they've been casting it into the field instead, and Stan's just working that in on this gorgeous sunny day. And if you follow the page, you will have seen Stan before, ploughing, tanking. When he's ploughing, he has the Lemkin Diamant 11 plough on with the press. And he's been attracting the birds, doing what he's been doing. So they've been coming in for, there've been thousands of them coming in for a feed. At one part, I drove down, I couldn't actually see Stan for birds. This was an opportunity video I was passing, and I saw him. I thought I'll call in and say hello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.